Hey everybody, so today I'm coming at you guys with a chunky braid out. So my hair is freshly washed. I'm just going to take my oil mixture and seal in some moisture. Next I'm going to take my curl enhancing smoothie to further hydrate my hair. Next I'm going to take my Eco Styler gel, and this is actually going to be my first time using this Eco Styler gel. This is why you see me examining it. And I actually do want to bring you all a full review on this Eco Styler gel on a wash and go, so stay tuned for that. So I'm just going to take a little bit just because I want to use it only for a mild hold. Next I'm going to take my hair and divide it into 3 equal sections, and then I'm going to go ahead and plait it all the way down towards the ends. Then I'm going to take my perm rods and I'm going to roll the ends of my hair, and this is just going to give me a uniform curl towards the ends of my hair. And then I'm just going to repeat that same process all over. Here I do have some postpartum shedding going on, so this is why I'm applying my oil mixture to my edges, and you all can see that it's pretty short and broken off, so hopefully we can get that growing back soon. And here I just wanted to show you all what I'm using on my edges currently to hopefully get them growing back soon. I picked this up at Walmart a couple of years ago and I really never used it, but it does have some nice ingredients in them which I'll list in the description box, so hopefully we can see some progress. So it is the next morning and I'm just going to remove my rods. Then I'm going to take my coconut oil and apply that to my hair. I like to use my coconut oil for shine. I know a lot of people say they don't like coconut oil, which I'm not really sure why. I don't know. Do you all like coconut oil? So I'm just going to continue unraveling my braids. And as I'm unraveling my braids, I like to take my coconut oil and smooth it on my fingers just so I can get some extra shine. And here comes the tedious part, and this part may take a while to do, especially if you have finer hair like mine. So I'm just going to take each individual section and separate my hair, and I'm only going to separate it where it looks like it wants to separate to avoid any unnecessary frizz. Now you can also use a pick if you have one to help conceal the parts, but I didn't have one, so I was just using my fingers. Now, because I really didn't like that middle part that was in my hair, I went for more of a bang look. And just be careful when you guys decide to try this. Make sure you think about the end result that you want to have so you can know which way to part your hair. That was my mistake when doing this. I really don't do braid outs often because it makes my hair look finer than it already is, in my opinion. But this one did turn out kind of cute, so I may revisit this. And here I'm just showing you all different styles that you can do with your braid out. I kind of like this look. Let me know what you guys think, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.